In this video, I'll show you how to turn on vertical tabs in Google Chrome. If this guide helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Chrome tutorials. By default, Chrome displays all of your tabs across the top of the browser. If you'd rather have them organized along the left side, you can enable Chrome's built-in vertical tabs feature in just a few steps. First, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From there, choose Settings. Next, click the address bar. You'll see an address that ends with /settings. Delete everything after Chrome:/ and replace it with flags, so the address becomes Chrome://flags, then press Enter. Once you're on the Chrome Flags page, click the search box at the top and type vertical. When you see vertical tabs appear in the results, click the drop-down menu next to it and change it from default to enabled. After that, click the relaunch button in the bottom right corner. Chrome will restart automatically and apply the new setting. When Chrome opens again, right-click on any open tab or right-click an empty area in the tab bar. You should now see the option Show Tabs Vertically. Click it, and your tabs will instantly move to the left side of the browser. You can also collapse the vertical tab panel whenever you want to save even more screen space, while keeping your tabs organized and easy to access. And that's it. You've successfully enabled vertical tabs in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.